A battery pack scheduled for disassembly is placed in the robot's workspace, positioned so that all corners are accessible to the robot. The location of the battery pack is determined using a top-down camera. The robot moves its end effector toward the pack using a linear track. A wrist-mounted camera scans the QR code on the pack to retrieve battery identification information. The digital twin model is updated using KUKA's real-time communication protocol, the robot sensor interface, which enables real-time communication between the robot controller and external systems. Before disassembly begins, a machine learning model visually inspects the battery pack for potential external defects to ensure safe handling during subsequent operations. The robot performs a tool change to acquire a customized unscrewing tool. A machine learning model is used to detect the locations of the screws on the pack. Using this location information, the robot performs the unscrewing operation. To remove the lid, the robot performs another tool change to acquire a pneumatically operated suction tool suitable for this task. The robot then lifts and removes the lid. The wrist camera provides data to a machine learning model to identify the different types of connectors and their locations inside the battery pack. Based on this information, the robot uses a claw gripper to disconnect the connectors. The connectors inside the battery management system are secured with several zip ties, which are difficult for the robot to remove safely. A human operator assists the process by cutting and removing the zip ties. The robot disconnects the remaining connectors from the pack. Some connectors require the removal of fastening screws before they can be disconnected. The robot performs the necessary tool changes to acquire the appropriate tool. The disconnected connector wires are relocated to the side using the claw gripper. The robot then removes the battery management system using a custom-made gripper. Each module is fastened to the pack base with screws. The robot unscrews these before the modules are removed for the next stage. Module to cell disassembly. Liquid nitrogen is pumped into the battery to break the adhesive between the modules and battery pack. A human operator initiates the module to cell process by removing the modules from the battery pack. The operator removes the mounting bars and also removes the plastic covers from both sides of the module. The module is then fixed to a fixture that holds the part rigidly in place. The robot uses a cutting tool to cut the metal band that holds the cells together. The human operator removes the cut band. The robot unscrews the fasteners that secure the top cover and hold the cells together. The top cover is then removed. Next, the robot cuts through both series-connected cell strips in a way that leaves the spot weld connections intact. This method ensures separation of the connections without producing flyaway material strips, which could potentially short-circuit individual cells. After the series connections are cut, the cell connector terminals are removed. Finally, individual cell packs are separated from the stack and picked for further use using a vacuum gripper.